Let's talk sparkling ice. As a 5WPR partner and client for over a decade, we helped them take on the biggest competitors in the beverage category as a better-for-you alternative. In 2020, we saw an opportunity to expand their reach outside of traditional product and beverage roundups, and into conversations around culture and community, leading into Sparkling Ice's commitment to providing flavor for all, making meaningful connections far and wide. So we launched the Cheers to You program, a nationwide local beautification effort that gave back to small towns in a big way. Beyond the stunning results in communities across the country and the appreciation of townspeople, it garnered organic and placed interest in hundreds of local and regional publications. We also committed to those committed to their communities with the Cheers to Heroes contest. We prompted consumers to nominate hometown heroes. We got thousands of submissions and tens of thousands of votes on the finalists. Sparkling Ice awarded Rosako Bailey of Bedford, Texas $10,000 for his dedication to feeding homeless veterans, and awarded the 2 additional finalists $5,000 towards their nonprofit community-driven work. Our small town efforts paid off in a big way. Our Cheers to Heroes initiative garnered over 200 million media impressions across 54 markets with 300,000 engagements on the contest page alone. Cheers to You received coverage in everything from national consumer and business pubs, including Inc., to thousands of local and regional media outlets and over 7,000 organic social shares. All this helped secure Sparkling Ice the top spot among sparkling brands, the bestseller for the past 52 weeks, over $650 million in sales. In a crowded market, Sparkling Ice is growing at 21.8% year over year, versus 16.5% for the category. We built Sparkling Ice a path from beverage brand to small town hero. That's how we bring brands to tomorrow, because we're built for now.